Chris is asking us, do Nick and I think the Piney Point wastewater leak is going to affect St. Pete Beach? At this point, I've got to say, who knows? I mean, I don't think the scientists know. I watched a news conference today. Yesterday, they had Governor DeSantis over there. Today, they had, oh gosh, got his name. The local congressman from over there in Manatee County and Hillsborough County. It's terrible. He's a customer of ours, too. He was there, but they brought in the EPA, the Army Corps of Engineers, a bunch of stuff. So, you got some of the greatest minds and scientists and engineers and stuff trying to work on that. So what it is, there's a phosphate plant over there in Hillsborough County near the Skyway Bridge that's got, I don't know, acidic water, high pH, or, part of it may or may not be radioactive, but it's high in nitrogen, high in ammonia, which could be cause for algae blooms. And apparently the container that's holding it all in is leaking, and they're worried about it breaching the levee, and houses have been evacuated and all that stuff. But I mean, Tampa Bay is a huge place. It just kind of sucks right now. We're on this tide cycle that we're on.
Yeah.
Where it's basically a 2-tide day, and all it is a slow incoming tide all day instead of a fast outgoing tide, which would take that water out. But they're dumping millions of gallons a day right now. Today, I saw they were doing 35 million gallons and hope to have it up to 100 million a day.
Now, how's that working, Keith? Do they need to catch the tides right? If they get a big dump or something?
They can't. It's beyond that now. So it's just they're trying to alleviate the pressure, drop the water level down to keep it from busting view. Hey, thanks, Al Zayas. It's Vern Buchanan is the congressman from down there, and and he's pissed. I was watching that, but we'll see. It's nobody knows, right? So I hope not. I hope it just gets in the bay and dissipates, and we don't have any kind of algae bloom or anything like that. But I mean, I can't touch that with a 10-foot pole. I don't know.